Hello, welcome back. It's Arma Bricks. We are looking at the Studgate train station, which is from Bricklink designer program, which I bought recently. So this is amazing set. I was so happy to build it. It is really unique design, really unique building. Although it had few repetitive stages like these garage doors, windows in both sides, but other than that, it is so amazing set. I really enjoyed building it, and yeah, even due to the fact that I own this, probably you saw in my short video that I had a problem with the placement of this set, but I figured it out. I moved the radio station to the opposite side, and now I'm redoing the grocery market to be a alternative side, and therefore it will be connected to the gas station right here. So what it means that I'm planning to build a walkway to upstairs of the station to connect it directly to the city, and therefore the citizens will be able to go to the train station, go down and leave with the train which is in the downside of the city. What I've done in additional, I placed the rail tracks that are coming, that it goes through the new station, and I've added extra extensions, extra tracks right here, just to have a separate place for trains to be stopped if they are not running. I missed the place for doing that, and now I do have, so I'm really proud of it. And yeah, we do have two trains, the cargo one and the passenger, who will be crossing the new train station. I've tried it out. Trains are running, so I will post the video in the nearest future. Just a small remark to these rail tracks. I had to strengthen them up because they are up in the air without any support from here. So when train is going right through this place, they are not so sturdy, but now they are pretty fine. I've added extra layer of train tracks below and connected them, so it is really solid build. So if you are aiming to have solid tracks that are hanging in the air, it is really nice solution for that. Besides that, I will be working with the area that we have here, because I need to make a transition, as mentioned, to the train station, place another building right here, and do all the necessary stuff. So yeah, more things to come, one by one, but I think we will manage to do that. But definitely I do see that I will be running out of space really soon, so hoping that there will be no new cool Lego sets that would fit into the Lego City this year. I can be prepared for next year, but not for this one, so fingers crossed. Anyhow, there are still few buildings in the background that I need to build, and I've already have places for them, so things will be interesting in the city. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I will keep you updated with the changes that will be happening in this area in upcoming few days. So see you guys.